Understanding, interrupt the flow. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, interrupt the flow. This phrase is common in both everyday conversation and professional contexts, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and nuances to help you master it and use it confidently in your own conversations. To interrupt the flow means to stop or disrupt a continuous process or progression of something. This interruption can be temporary or for an extended period, depending on the context. The flow can refer to a wide range of activities or processes, such as conversation, work, traffic, or even your thoughts. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. In conversation, I didn't mean to interrupt the flow of your story, please continue. At work, frequent meetings can interrupt the flow of a productive day. In daily life, construction on the road can interrupt the flow of traffic. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied to various situations where continuity is broken. Understanding and using the phrase, interrupt the flow, can help you express yourself more precisely in English. It's a succinct way to describe disruptions in activities or processes, a common aspect of life and work. Mastering such phrases enriches your vocabulary and enhances your ability to communicate complex ideas simply and effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of interrupt the flow. Whether you're engaging in conversation, describing work experiences, or observing the world around you, this phrase can be a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Keep practicing, and don't let anything interrupt the flow of your learning journey. See you in the next video.